Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Moralis for Web3 backend and analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Moralis website. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the home page. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Moralis dashboard, where you can find the various services and options available for Web3 development. If you enabled two-factor authentication, check your authentication method for the confirmation code. Input the code in the required field. Now, you are successfully logged into Moralis. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the backend features for building Web3 applications. Review analytics tools for tracking and optimizing your projects. You can access documentation and support options if needed. Now you are ready to start using Moralis for your Web3 backend and analytics needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.